beautiful people. So I'm doing showings late. That kind of scared me. Look at, what is that? But I'm doing showings late, but I still was like, let me still make sure I go live and show you guys the showing. So this is the closet when you first come in. This is the closet. It's kind of dark in here now because, like I said, too, it's later part of the day, you guys. So let's see if my camera can focus. So when you first come in through the front door, this is what it looks like. It's like so open, you guys. So open. It's like when you first come in. Look, you guys, they got the old heaters, you guys. I couldn't dare have those on my little ones, so I think it'll get too hot. So they have an island here, which is really nice. Stove, fridge, microwave. I'm guessing all that is included. Then if you come this way too, they have the laundry right on the first floor. So they have the storage here, and then they have the sink, and then the water, and then the outlet for the laundry. So this is the laundry room here. This is the laundry room here. So that's the laundry room. Now listen, when you come out from the laundry room, you're in the kitchen now. You have one bedroom here. And they have a barnwood door in here, which is really nice, you guys. But yeah, you can just push that over. And then that's the closet. Like, I really love this. So yeah, if you can close it like that. And then too, that's just one bedroom. And then they have a nice bathroom down here. I really like this bathroom. So yeah, you have this bathroom here. So that's really nice. Okay, you guys, I kind of wanted to still get the video for you guys, even though they already done seeing it. But let's go upstairs and see it. So this is upstairs. Don't forget too, this is the kitchen. This is upstairs. The basement smell basementy. Again, that's my word, basementy. It smells like a basement, so I don't want to go in the basement. So yeah, this is upstairs, open again. Y'all see how open that is? This is where we came in at. So yep, here's upstairs. And then they have another full bath up here. I need to do my hair, you guys. I'm working on it. So this is upstairs. This is the shower, which is really tall. So this is the shower here. And then let me see, you guys. Let me show you the bedrooms they got up here. So they got two bedrooms up here. They got this bedroom here. I wonder will it look better if I record this way. I think it will. But they won't let me do it. You're like, turn your device. And then you got this bedroom here. So, yep, y'all, that's everything. Look at the upstairs. It's really, really long up here, you guys. Really, really long. Let me show you guys how long it is up here. Then don't forget, that's the bathroom right there. And then that's one bedroom. That's the other bedroom right there. And then that's the downstairs, you guys. So I'm finna go off to the next showing. We've already seen it, but I figured I'll show you guys too. Do a ride along with me and look at the showings. I really like this kitchen a lot. I need another screenshot. But I'll see you guys at the next house. And did you guys see this light? It's nice, right? It is. So I'll see you guys later. Hey, beautiful people. I'm back with another property. So we already looked at this property. This property actually has like 6 bedrooms. They say 5 bedrooms and a bonus room or whatever they want to call it. But to me, it's 6 rooms. And I'm guessing since we're near a college right now, or near a university, I only can just guess that this is used for a room and house. So let's start here in the beginning. So this is where you first come in at. So you will come in here. So this would be the living room here. See, this is the living room. This is the dining room here. And then this is the kitchen right here. This is bedroom number 1. So this is one of the bedrooms here. This is good for you got a lot of kids, I guess. This is a full bathroom here. I really like that shower. This is bedroom number 2. Then you can come this way and go upstairs. Because this is where all of the other bedrooms is at. So let's go upstairs. It's a lot of stairs. They got a garage down there too, so that's really nice. And a nice slab for the car. So this is bedroom number 3. You go down this, you see all them doors, right? This is bedroom number 4. But since school is not really starting back like normal, I wonder what are they going to do? This is another half bath. Bedroom number 5 is here. This is a bigger bedroom. They have 2 sinks here. So they have 2 sinks here. And a shower. So this is a full bath, considered a full bath. And then they have, this is the bonus room that they were speaking about. But I guess a couple or 2 people can come in here. Maybe even 3, I don't know. Guess it depends on how they're living. And here's a closet too. It's long, isn't it? So yeah, that's all of the bedrooms. So I'd just say it's 6 bedrooms personally. I think it's safe to say there's 6 bedrooms. Turn that off, you guys. But I just say it's 6 bedrooms. I didn't know what I was walking into when I came here. It's kind of not what we expected though. Not what we wanted either, so. But it's good for student housing. This is the kind of thing where if you're going to school, you go and get that loan, have your parents co-sign, and you rent out these rooms yourself instead of you renting some other thing or staying at the dorm. Like, staying on campus, staying in a dorm. So yeah, you guys, this is it. Let's get on out of here, y'all. Go to the next one. See you later.